Alright guys, in today's video I got an unboxing here from Slashermovies410. We're working on a trade for this mask here. He bought this blank off of eBay and sent it to me. And I trimmed it, painted it up, and haired it for him. So he sent me some stuff for working on this. And the reason why I haven't shipped this to him yet is because he sent me something that he wants me to rework for him. A mask I sent him before in the past that he wants, he just wants straps and eye mesh on it, so I'm going to do that for him and mail them both at the same time. So I'm just going to go ahead and get right into this box. There. Alright. Sent me a handful of wrestling figures. These are for me to customize. If you've watched my recent videos, you've seen I can't talk. If you've seen any of my recent videos, you would know that I've done some custom figures here lately. He sent me those to customize, make custom characters of. We got this here. We got a Ghostface goblet. This is an example of a regular goblet. I've wanted this for a long time. I never got around to getting one. And when he was sending me pictures of his collection to pick out stuff for a trade, I saw this in the background, and I knew I wanted to get that, so we got that. Something I've wanted for a long time. I got some more figures here. I think he sent me like 4 or 5 figures to use for customizing. Alright, got mask here. We got this Billy mask from Saw. Pretty sure it's vacuum formed plastic. It's made by Tots. It's been a while since I've gotten a Tots mask. I tried to get those secondhand for personal reasons. But yeah, this is really nice. I already have a place for it to go on my display in my room. I'm going to be doing an update video soon on my collection. My collection is split up between 2 rooms. I got stuff out here in my workshop, but I also have stuff still in my room. But I'll be doing an update video on that. I got a place just for this on my slasher display. This is the mask he wants me to rework. Are you kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? No. Okay, so camera fail, had to pick that up. Anyways, this is a Henry Post mask that I made for him. But this is a variant of the Henry Post mask that's finished to look like a scarecrow. I painted a brown color like burlap, and I gave it these strings to add to the scarecrow look. But Corey can't figure out how to put it on, so I'm going to give him some straps that'll be easier for him to figure out. And he also wants eye mesh. I was going to do that for him, and I'll send that back to him when I mail that to him. So we got that. This is a mask. I have the costume version of this, and I don't know where it's at. I can't find it. But I didn't have a full head version of this. So that's something I needed for the collection. That's going to go either on this shelf or right here. So yeah, I've needed this for a while. Now I just need to get the other spoof mask. I'll get a display head for that to go on. And last mask here, we got this scarecrow mask. I don't know who it's made by. I don't see a stamp or anything on it. I really dig the look of the scarecrow mask. What I'm thinking about doing is adding a hood to it, similar to the Ghostface mask. But yeah, I think I'm going to add a hood to this, maybe repaint it. I'm not sure. I'll probably paint the stitches on it black or something. But yeah, I love scarecrows, and when I saw this, I just really loved it. So yeah, this is the stuff I got from Corey. Figured I'd do a quick unboxing. Wasn't quite a hell not. So I got these 2 masks. This mask, Ghostface goblet, and some figures to customize. Really nothing else to say. It's been a while since I've done an unboxing video. I I don't know what to say. It's been forever since I've done an unboxing video. I'm not good at doing these. I wasn't good back in the day. But, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I really didn't dig these masks, and they're definitely going to be put on display. I got places for them already. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Merch links are down in the description to buy some merch, and my Etsy store to buy some of my art. And I also have a Discord server now. If you guys are interested in checking that out, all my links are in the description below. God damn camera fail. Are you fucking kidding me? Son of a bitch. Yeet!